In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your calendar using Morgen. If you've been looking for an easy way to manage scheduling and ensure that everyone is on the same page, Morgen is a great tool to dive into. Let's start by creating a new event or opening an existing one. This is a fundamental first step because your events are the heart of any calendar system. To do this, head over to your Morgen calendar and look for a free time slot. You can simply click on that open space. Alternatively, if you're planning to invite someone to an existing event, go ahead and click on the event you've already set up. This will open up the event detail window. Now, this window is where all the magic happens. You'll see a few fields like title, date, time, and location, which are essential for planning. Next up, we need to find the Invite or Add Participants field. You might be wondering where this is located. Well, it's right there in the event window. This field is crucial because it allows you to bring other people into your scheduling plans. You can enter the invitee's email address here, or if you've previously added them, just select their name from your contacts. This makes the process seamless and efficient. Now, sometimes you'll want to add more than just a name or an email. Morgen gives you the flexibility to include details for virtual meetings like Zoom or Google Meet, which you can input right there. If you're planning an in-person gathering, you can specify the event's physical location too. This ensures everyone's on the same page about where and how to meet, making it much more convenient for large groups or remote teams. Once you have the basic details set, you might want to consider additional options, like choosing which calendar this event should belong to if you manage multiple calendars. In addition to this, setting reminders can be particularly helpful. They ensure everyone involved gets timely nudges about the upcoming event. You can also double-check all the entered details to confirm accuracy and completeness. Finally, it's time to save or send the event. When you do this, the invitee will receive an email invitation and the event will appear on both your calendar and theirs if they accept. Remember, depending on how they've configured their own notifications or calendar settings, they can choose to accept or decline the invite, updating the event status for you accordingly. And that's how you can easily add someone to your calendar using Morgen. By harnessing these straightforward steps, you'll be on your way to managing your schedules more efficiently and never missing out on an important meeting or event. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.